friends, I'm Jess.
And I'm Keri.
We're That's Random. It's your favorite time of the week. We're here with Origami. And today we're in for a real treat.
Too.
A seagull. And this is the image. Can you see that up at the top with the fun?
It really looks like a paper airplane that's not going to fly. Did you know
Wish us luck.
There's QR codes?
Yeah, but that feels like cheating if we use the video and follow. I think we should go with the written.
One of these days we're going to check it. It may not be in English.
Yeah. Okay, so mark the folds following the dotted lines.
They're diagonal.
Yeah, it's a diamond.
All right. Got it.
I'm almost there. All right. Fold the corner following the dotted lines. Oh, so it's just not quite center. Like there's a little space there. I don't know. I'm thinking about half an inch.
I got it like there. Looks good to me.
There's a straight. Mine's not. It's fine. Okay. Fold backward following the dotted lines. Okay.
Just one half of it?
So it's like right here. So I think it's just that top flap is just going. So it's like an inch or so. That's what I think.
Do you see that picture anywhere? Okay.
Wait.
I think
it's the same place, but it's the long edge is going instead of the corner.
Okay, so we're doing it like this.
Yeah, and then we end up with that dotted crease is showing.
Somewhere in there.
Yeah.
Okay. Is this about right, Jess?
Oh, mine is crooked. It's fine. It's a lopsided bird, probably. Yeah, we're on the same track.
Okay.
Fold the white peak following the dotted lines.
Oh,
okay, time out a second. They flipped their paper over, right? Oh, yeah. Wait, it was fold backwards. We can't read. It's fine. Okay,
we can't fix it by fold. Okay. Okay, there. You got to actually fold it. You can't just turn it over. There you go.
So it's the same fold. It just should have gone behind instead of...
We're back on track, friends.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, all is well. Okay, so now we want this top peak. And it's just going to be
about
there.
Halfway. A little tippy tip of the point is out there. Like that. Half inch again, right?
That's, yeah, I think.
Oh, that's not straight at all, friends.
None of my folds have been straight yet.
It's okay. Crooked seagulls are loved too.
Probably. Accordion fold the other peak following the dotted line. Okay, so this is going up and then back, but it looks like it goes to the edge on one of them. I think it's here.
Did I do this right?
And here. This is what I think. Yeah. That's what I think.
Oh, I did mine a lot. They only did 2.
Yeah.
That's okay. Mine's fancy.
Turn your origami over. Okay. Fold your origami in half. Okay.
And I assume that's toward us, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fold the wings upward.
These are the wings?
Apparently. And I think it went like that. And I think the other one was also supposed to do it, but they don't show. But I feel like we want them going. Your seagull is ready.
Mine definitely looks different than theirs. Mine is pretty.
My wings look nothing like their wings. The body looks very similar. But look how their wings are like just a blade that folds over.
And
like that.
What is that curved down thing? I don't know, but we did good.
I think their wings are supposed to
I want mine to try to fly like a paper airplane. Ready?
Oh, I think it's just this. Okay.
Get ready, fans. Okay. It's a whirligig, even better.
Which way is the top of my bird? bird. I think I think it's like this. I don't know. Can mine? I'm scared. I don't know. I think maybe this was supposed to be because otherwise you can't throw it. Oh, it is because that makes it match the shape, Keri.
What?
The thing that I couldn't identify, I'm like, why do I have all of these things? It's because it's the underside of his wings. I had him upside down. This is the real bird. Look at my seagull. Yeah!
I'm glad you figured it out.
I just need a little mermaid. Go visit.
Cute.
He fancy. All right. Well, we did it. We origami.
We definitely were
seagull.
successful, and ours is way better than theirs. I don't know.
I do think
what the
mine's
heck.
cuter than that one
Look
is.
at those fancy wings. Since I did so many of those,
Yeah.
accordion folds.
And I didn't do so many, but I still think he's beautiful.
Yeah, they're good.
Anyway, yay.
Origami.
Origami seagull.